In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported hardware using Rufus. We know upgrading to Windows 11 24H2 can be tricky, especially if your hardware isn't officially supported, but with a little help from a tool called Rufus, you can make it happen. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to download the Windows 11 24H2 ISO from Microsoft's official website. This ISO file is essentially a digital version of the operating system and is crucial for our process. Once you have located the correct ISO file, make sure to save it somewhere on your computer where you can easily access it later. This step sets the groundwork for everything that follows, so ensure that the download is complete and the file is safely stored. Next, it's time to get Rufus, the tool that will help us create a bootable USB drive. Go to the official Rufus website and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, go ahead and run the rufus.exe file. If a user account control prompt appears, simply click Yes to proceed. This software doesn't require installation, making it quick and convenient to use. Now let's prepare the USB drive. Please insert an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive into your computer. It's important to note that this will completely format the USB, so back up any important data before proceeding, as it will permanently overwrite all existing data on the drive. Once your USB drive is connected, Rufus should automatically list it in the device section. Make sure to select your USB flash drive from the drop-down menu to avoid accidentally overwriting data on other drives connected to your computer. Now focus on selecting the Windows 11 24H2 ISO file. Click on the Select button within Rufus, navigate through your files to find the ISO you downloaded earlier, and click Open. This links the ISO file to your USB preparation process. Now let's configure Rufus with the recommended settings. For the device, ensure that your selected USB drive is displayed. Under Boot Selection, the Windows 11 24H2 ISO should already be selected from previous steps. Next, select Standard Windows Installation for the image option. Depending on your system, choose GPT for modern UEFI-based systems or MBR for older systems that use legacy BIOS in the partition scheme. Rufus will automatically determine the target system, and you should set the file system to NTFS with the default cluster size. Remember, choosing the right partition scheme is crucial. Use GPT if your system supports UEFI, otherwise stick with MBR for legacy BIOS systems. Then comes enabling the Windows user experience options. Click the Start button to initiate the process. A dialog will appear offering several custom installation options. For unsupported hardware, you might want to select options like removing the requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. Additionally, you can opt to bypass the need for an online Microsoft account and create a local account if it's an option. Once your choices are made, click OK to proceed. With these steps, you're on your way to successfully installing Windows 11 4H2 on your unsupported hardware. Stay tuned as we watch Rufus do its magic, creating a pathway for that fresh installation of Windows.